Welcome to our immersive few minutes exploration into the life and philosophical journey of Anaximenes, a visionary ancient Greek philosopher. In this video, we will delve deep into his captivating biography and unravel the profound ideas that have left an indelible mark on Western thought. In the bustling city of Miletus, during the 6th century BCE, a young mind named Anaximenes was set on a philosophical journey that would shape the course of Western thought. Let us embark on a journey through his early life, education, and the intellectual climate that ignited his philosophical pursuits. Anaximenes' philosophical odyssey revolves around the concept of air as the fundamental element from which all things arise. Join us as we explore the evolution of this elemental theory, its contrast with Anaximander' apeiron, and its profound implications for understanding the natural world. Anaximenes' cosmology takes us on a journey through the cosmos, where the transformations and condensations of air are at play. Unravel the philosopher's insights on celestial bodies, the nature of the universe, and his understanding of cosmic harmony. Beyond cosmology, Anaximenes contemplated ethics and human nature. Discover his thoughts on living in harmony with the elemental forces to attain a virtuous existence, and the profound connection between the natural and moral order. Though few of Anaximenes' writings have survived, his elemental philosophy and ideas found their way into the works of subsequent philosophers and scholars. Trace the enduring impact of his theories and how they laid the groundwork for later thinkers in the history of Western philosophy. To fully grasp the significance of Anaximenes' contributions, we must contextualize his ideas within the broader landscape of ancient Greek thought. Explore the interactions between Anaximenes and his contemporaries, along with the influence of earlier and later philosophers. As our extensive exploration of Anaximenes' life and philosophy nears its conclusion, we reflect on the profound legacy of this visionary thinker. From his elemental theory to his ethical considerations, Anaximenes' intellectual contributions continue to inspire and challenge our understanding of the universe and human existence. If you found this journey through history and philosophy enlightening, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on history, philosophy, and biographies. Thank you for joining us on this immersive odyssey into the world of Anaximenes.